How to get free stuff on Temu. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get free stuff on Temu. For this, launch open the Temu app on your device. If you don't have this app, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now make sure to sign into your account. You want to tap on the U button at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on Play and Earn. This will take you to the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. From here, you will be able to get free stuff. Now you can basically select whichever you want. I'm going to tap on All Gifts Waiting. Tap on this. Here, tap on Win My Gifts option. Now here it says start picking your first gift. So go ahead and tap on the pick option. Tap on continue over here. Now it says to select the second gift. So go ahead and do that. As you can see, all of these items are for free, and this is the amount you will save. Now, in order to get these free items, you will have to complete these rules over here. The rule is to invite friends to accept your invitation. After inviting your friends, you will get energies, and every 100 energy will pack one gift. As you can see, you are earning energies in this way. So the more friends you invite and get the invitation accepted, the more quickly you will receive all of these free items. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.